So welcome everybody to Townshend. This is Dan Parrott, the Head of Secondary. It's a pleasure to address you on this beautiful day in Hlobika. Hello Violet. So as you can see, first thing I'd like to acknowledge all the families across the globe that are part of our Townshend community, and I think it's really important to appreciate for some of you who have been unable to see your children due to the lockdown. My thoughts are with you at this time. I think it's really important that to reassure you your children are doing very well. I think they're perhaps enjoying the freedom of the experience they have at this time. But I do accept how difficult it will be. It's really important to also appreciate what staff have been working through over the last few days. Since the start of term 4, it has been a huge learning curve for us all in terms of implementing digital learning in the classroom or the virtual classroom. And many of our students have been well and truly engaged in this. And I think this is a nice catalyst. If it can find something positive and to draw some optimism out of the situation, I think it creates an opportunity for us all to think about how our children learn and what skills are required in this modern world. 21st century education, though part of it is around technology, it's not just related to that. Critical thinking, for example, the ability to be creative. This is something that we look to inspire with our own teaching, and I think students should also take the initiative to think about how they learn in their own way. Something here at Townshend that is quite unique and special, and that we always think about how we provide service to others. And perhaps that starts with thinking of ourselves and our own physical and mental well-being. And we need to recognise that we need to draw on a lot of resilience to overcome some of the obstacles and the fears that we may have at this time. Rest assured, I think our community here support one another. We have great connectivity, and it's important that we encourage the Townshend community to keep this up. That's a love heart. You're going to say hello to people from all around the world. It's a nice reminder to us all that, you know, having family nearby keeps us close, gives us an opportunity to have that time with them. So I don't think we'll ever think back on this experience as being negative. I think it does provide those opportunities, and we should appreciate the time that we have. Cat got your tongue. Finally, thank you to the Townshend community for all the support and the love that you've shown us over these last few weeks. It's been testing times, but I'm very confident that we will come out of this with some new skills, more development in terms of our education. And I think, and most importantly for our students, a real appreciation for the things that matter. I think we kind of get lost in our day-to-day routines and the things that we think are important. But I think we are kind of seeing now, whether it be family, whether it be our local community, these are the people and these are the things that matter in the long term. So I wish you well over the coming few weeks, and I look forward to speaking with you again at some time in the very near future. Do you want to go and play now?